Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to learn how to say I think so too or I also think so in Chinese language. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद और आज हम सीखेंगे कि हम ऐसा कैसे कहें कि मैं भी ऐसा सोचता हूँ. So let's proceed and get to know about it. 理科好 Science is good. 理科 in Chinese language is science and 好 means good. चीनी ज़बान में साइंस को लीखा बोलते हैं और खाओ कहते हैं अच्छे को. साइंस अच्छा है. 理科以后啊就业机会多. 理科以后 means after studying science. Is added here for adding emphasis. GOA means getting or obtaining employment. रोज़गार हासिल करना. जीख़्वे means opportunity and it means मवाक़े in Urdu. To means much or more. So in Urdu it means बहुत. Wa jama iwe. Wa means I. Ye means also German. This way, like this. Iwe means to think. So I also think so. Maybe ऐसा सोचता हूँ. So this is all for today. I hope that you would have enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next interesting lecture about Chinese language. And kindly don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube. 再见, Allah Hafiz.